with you?
You mean as friends?
Oh, I mean for real. Because you're like the coolest person I've ever met, and you don't even have to try, you know?
I try really hard, actually.
fall in love too fast.
Hi, so it's day 6 in Norway, which means we're leaving in 2 days. These days have been gone by super quick. We have done a lot of stuff. We went to the husky farm, which was the most amazing experience I've had in this trip so far. And we're really excited to see the Northern Lights. We really hope we can catch them tonight, because tonight the Northern Lights can be very strong. So I hope to capture them on camera. And yeah, I know I'm not talking much in this vlog, but I'd rather just show you guys what I'm doing and where I'm going instead of like telling you guys, because I don't like to talk a lot in my vlogs if you haven't noticed. But yeah, today we're going to the Polaria, which is this aquarium, and I'm really excited. I hope I can film there. Also, there's this museum, this art museum that I really want to go to, and it's free for students under 18. I'm a student, I'm not a student here, but I'm a student and I'm 18, so I hope I can get in. So we're going to the Polaria and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Hi, welcome to my bed. So I am really hoping to see the Northern Lights tonight. We're going Aurora hunting and I am so excited because I've never seen the Northern Lights like in person, in real life. I've seen them in videos, but it's very beautiful and I just really want to see it. So I hope I can see it tonight. If I can, that would be amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys how we're going Northern Light hunting or Aurora hunting. I don't know, I like the word Aurora hunting. Aurora means Northern Light, of course. It's the Aurora Borealis. So yeah, let's go.
Until I found someone who laughs like you.
Good morning. Today is the last day in Tromsø and I am pretty sad. I don't know, I want to stay longer. I don't want to leave yet. It's just so wonderful here and I'm gonna miss it very much. But I do miss my dog and I miss my boyfriend and my friends. So I'm gonna enjoy my last day in Tromsø, and tomorrow we'll be flying home. I am really glad I took this trip because I almost didn't, and now I am very glad that I did. So I made some beautiful memories here.